Good to go? Okay. Today we have this Weedeater 1 lawnmower. I picked it up. The dude said that it wasn't getting any spark, and I'm about to find out why. So we're going to crack this open. First we're going to see if we're getting spark down here. And I guess the best way to do it is to have, what we're going to do, let's come over here. Come over here, take the spark plug out. You can see it in there. That way we can go ahead and drop the compression. I already checked the battery and it's kind of dead, but it's enough to spin it over without compression stopping it. So, there. Come over here, give it the shock test. See, that's strange. Now I have spark. Now we're getting spark. Alright. Something tells me we're going to have ignition problems out of this. Okay, so we're over here. And it doesn't have enough juice, or shouldn't. Okay. Luckily, this cool little motor here is also full start. So, let's see if it got any gas in it. That's the problem, ain't got no gas in it. Shit. Well. Oh, look at that. Convenient. Some gas out of nowhere. I wonder how that got there. Don't know. Rain a little bit. I really hope we don't have any water in here. If not, we're going to have a fun time. More gas than water. Okay, well. I guess that's that. Well. I was expecting it to be a little harder than that. We are getting a lot of smoke though. Smells like oil. So are we burning oil, I guess? Are we overflowing in oil? There's a lot of oil coming out of that. The oil mechanic special. Right in the back of the leg. How much oil's in this thing? No, we're right where we should be, but we are smoking. So, the question is it the rings, or is it the valves? It wouldn't be the valves smoking like that. I'm gonna go rings. Unless where it's been sitting, there's a lot of buildup in oil on the valves, but no. I guess let's see if we can drive it. Oh, the smoky goodness. It just feels too easy. Feels way too easy. But it is kind of still smoking. Let's get some air in that back tire. Okay, so now what we're going to do is clean out this here carburetor, and we need an 8mm socket right here. Go ahead and crack them off. But we also need to take off this fuel line, so using my handy dandy vice grip so we don't leak out any fuel, because we don't want to do that. I'll tell you what, I think just pull right off there. It's good to use something in between the vice grip so it doesn't mess up your fuel line. But I think we're gonna be okay. Yeah, we just lost a drop. That's fine. As far as I can tell, that's pretty much gonna. Oh no, we're still losing some. All right, my guy. We'll do that too. Get in there. Yeah. We'll try to go ahead and stop that gas from leaking. I should have worn my gloves. I always forget my gloves. And it's drizzling a little bit here. We got a tropical storm up there. Okay. So what I would like to do is go ahead and just blow this off real fast. Alright. Blow. Get some air. Blow this off. Sorry, sweetie. I swear it's just because I like you so much. What is that about? Alright, well, there goes that. This gasket looks like it's seen better days. It looks like that's seen better days too. So what we're going to do is come over here, if we can. I know it's an 8. Grab an 8 right here. Yeah, it's going to be a tight fitting 8. It's probably better to use a wrench on this, but I'm lazy. Over here so I don't lose it. Over here. I'm going to go ahead and drop the carburetor. Cool, it's just an O-ring on the back side, so we don't have to worry about a gasket. And I'm okay with that. I do think we're having problems out of our carburetor. A lot of surging. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and just try to pop this off one at a time. Yes, okay. Looks like we've got an automatic choke, and everything's automatic, it seems. Alright. Don't lose that spring. Alright, now we have carburetor off. We just gotta find the right socket for it. Feels like it's 13. Awesome sauce. Got everything I need over here. Oh, that was already loose, so don't recommend dropping your gas, guys. It's really not good for the environment, but I don't know how to get out the bowl without doing it. Alright, we got a little trash down in there, if you can see that, and some water. I don't know if you see a little blobby looking stuff down there, if I can, well, I can point that out. It's right down inside here. That's how you know you got water in there, but we got a lot of trash in there too, which is not good. No bueno. No bueno at all. Whoops. That came out. Alright. Okay, so now we got that. I'm going to put that in there. Perfect. I'm going to go ahead and pop out this wrist pin. Go ahead and take out the bowl on the float and our needle valve. Wow, it's definitely got a little stuff inside here. So what I'm going to do is make sure this is going to blow out. I like to blow it out this way because there's a little gasket inside there, like a little O-ring that can pop out. And if you lose that, well, you're kind of screwed, you know what I mean? Alright, so then we got that, which looks like there's no jet inside here, unless it's just that direct line right there. And then we have this, which connects up to here, which I should probably hold that down so it doesn't go nowhere. And it's mainly for like a choke. So everything's cool. There's no carburetor adjustments on this pretty much whatsoever, so it's maintenance free, it looks like. Everything looks like it's sitting fine. I know there's a little bit of trash inside there, but really that's not going to make a big difference, especially because I don't have any gaskets for this, and that gasket looks a little rough as it is, and if I stick it into my sonic cleaner, it's going to absolutely destroy it. So. But a good way to test these are leaking while it's off. See, I'm still recording. Make sure I got this. While it's off, you can see it moving up and down, and this is, you know, your choice. You can blow into it, and if it's down, if the float drops down and it closes and you can't blow into it, you know it's not leaking. So generally you're not going to have a leaking valve at that point. Alright, so tell you what, no, this bolt looks like it doubles as the jet. Okay, well let's just clean this bolt off then. Make sure it's cleaned out and get some compressed air in there. And it's coming out both sides, so cool. Alright, well it is cleaned out as best. It's clear through there, it's clear through a lot of things. Now I could come over here and hit it with one of these wires, but there's no point because I know it's clean. So it may not look spotless, and that's okay. It doesn't have to look spotless. It's just gotta work. Take that down. Okay. So now we're gonna go ahead and put everything all back. No big issues. No biggie at all. Come over here and connect our. Well, I guess we're gonna do the spring link last. It ain't gonna matter. Well, that fell off, didn't it? Okay. That's alright. As long as it didn't lose that spring link, thank God I got spares. Alright. So now, come over here, put that together. Unless there's, you know what it is? I think there's water on the phones while it's being a teetotal butthole. Maybe. I don't know though. We'll just keep hitting play if it keeps shutting off. That's fine. Alright, I'm gonna put this back in. Carburetor's clear. Got that going for us. I'm just gonna go ahead and tighten this back down, get that spring back on. Checking our throttle going, everything's automatic in this. I don't think I need to take this off because we're getting spark. There's no reason to take all that off and mess around in there because it can make a difference. It's already working. Crank it down, don't want to like put too much pressure on it and snap a bolt, and we're leaking a little bit of gas over here too, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and get our fuel line back on there ASAP. And bingo, what's his name? I should have got my needle noses over here. This damn thing is looking a little grody though, ain't it? So what I'm going to do is just hit it with this. Everything's clean, everything's clear. Cool. Whew. So let's go ahead and get our bolts. Hopefully it's fixed our little surging issue, or it could have been the water in there doing that too. You ever lose something that's right in front of you? Alright. And doesn't look like the carburetor is leaking at all, so we didn't mess up any gaskets in there or nothing. That's probably use changing, but we ain't got one right now. I'm just trying to make it run. Alright, well, she's fixed. I think we're all done here. Thanks for watching, and I guess stay tuned for the next